Hello student, myself Ruhi Khan and I am going to give you a very important concept to be known, that is locus standi. What is the meaning of locus standi and what is the scope and extent of this concept? So when we go through the understanding and meaning of locus standi has been made with two words in the Latin maxim. Locus means place and standi means a legal right to bring the suit. So basically when we complete this locus standi means right to bring a suit by a person. It can be invoked by only that person who is having the legal right to bring the suit. Now coming to the point, what is the scope of this locus standi? So we have always heard as a law student that ubi jus ibi remedium. Wherever there is a legal right, there must be the remedy. So if we don't have the legal right, we will not be given the remedy. It means the person must have the legal right, and if you have the legal right, then of course to get the remedy you will go to the court, and the question comes whether you are entitled to come to the court or not. That is the main question, and this can be answered by this concept of locus standi. Now coming to the provision of legal statute in the terms of legal locus standi, just try to understand under civil procedure code. Under civil procedure code we are having order 7 rule 11 which says rejection of plaint. So if you don't have the cause of action, your suit will be rejected, your plaint will be rejected. It means that cause of action must be there, you must have the right to bring the suit. So this is one of the important concept of locus standi. Now coming to the next point, when I am talking about the constitutional law, we have the constitution, the fundamental rights. So generally if you want to claim any fundamental right and you move directly to the Supreme Court or to the High Court under Article 226, the question arises whether you are having the right to come to the court to claim this fundamental right. Then you need to ensure that you are actually the person who have suffered the breach or suffered the legal right or suffered the violation of the legal right. So coming to the question, if you have the specific legal right, it has been violated, that is what you have come to the court, and that approach is called the locus standi. So in brief, if I would say, what is the meaning of locus standi? Locus standi is a specific concept which ensures that the person who comes to the court, he should have the right to bring the case or suit. Now when I talk about is there any exception, because generally the person only who is having the legal right come to the court, but is there any exception? The answer is yes. Now coming to the question, because we are having the writ of habeas corpus under the constitution, if the person has been detained unlawfully and he has been detained unlawfully, whether he should only have the locus standi, none can bring the suit in favor of him? The answer is yes, the other person can also bring this matter into the court of law, saying that the person was unlawfully detained. Although I am not having the specific legal right, that means to say I have not suffered any loss, but the loss has been suffered by someone else, but still the law allows me to bring the suit. So this is one of the exception of locus standi in terms of habeas corpus, when the person can bring a case, a writ petition in the constitutional courts, although he is not having the violation of any legal right. Now we have some more writ petition, that is quo warranto, that's also there. Now coming to the another important provision, the important provision is that whether all these persons can be joined together, who all the persons have suffered the loss but only one person comes to the court. We have heard the concept of public interest litigation. In the case of Bandhuwa Mukti Morcha versus Union of India, Supreme Court has ensured that even the person who has suffered a loss but is not capable to move to the court, the other persons, as a philanthropist, the person who is doing for a good cause, although they don't have the right to bring the suit directly, can move to the court in favor of all these persons. So that was all, that generally locus standi means only those persons can come to the court who have suffered the loss, but there are some exceptions under the constitutional law which simply allows those also who, to the fear of public policy, for the interest of public, bring the suit in the court of law. So that was locus standi. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.